Hello everyone! I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded. To make up for that, I will be creating a Valentine nail art early. Please do not forget to share, like, or comment on my video. Let's start! Step 1. Paint the base color of the nail with white nail polish. Step 2. Put no wipe gel top coat and cure it for at least 30 seconds in a UV lamp. Step 3. Mix liquid monomer and white acrylic powder. With an acrylic brush, create a heart shape in the middle of the nail as you can see me doing. I take a blob of a white bead and shape the edges into a flat heart shape at first until it dries and I can no longer shape it. Step 4. Take as many more beads as you need and add more on top of the heart to make it 3D. To make the edges noticeable, use the edge of your brush and kind of push it against the acrylic and move the brush upwards in one swift motion as if you were pushing sand to make a wall. Optional step. You may use a nail drill if you have one to make the edges extremely sharp looking. I honestly did not need it much on mine, but if the heart turned out a bit uneven, it's helpful to remove some of the mistakes. I just used the drill on the top of the heart to make the heart flat, and on the edges the drill is parallel to the edge of the heart. Then you just remove all the dust with a brush and rubbing alcohol with a lint-free pad. Step 5. You can use whatever color you want to color your heart. I created a green and pink one with nail polish. Put gel top coat and cure in your lamp. Step 6. Finally, with dark pink nail polish and a brush or a thin stick as I am using, write any Valentine message you want. I wrote "Be mine and love you." Then add your last layer of top coat and cure, and you can now admire your masterpiece. If you would like more Valentine nail art tutorials, please comment, share, or like my video. Thank you so much for watching and feel free to check out my other videos.